Hello people, this is Pat from Hello people, this is Panther from Panther Productions, and I'm just back from town, Nxt Edition, and I got this DVD. Like, I bought this, and the person at the counter was just like, "Aye, here's a Goldberg DVD." So, don't know if that's a thing now, but because I didn't see anything on the box, on like the website or anything about getting a free Goldberg DVD. So that's pretty cool. So I'm opening up NXT Edition now. That's better. You can't do an NXT unboxing without any Sami Zayn merch. Even though I'm wearing a Sami Zayn t-shirt at the minute. So, I don't know. So, first thing out of the box of wonders is, if I can do it without botching, 2K17. And there's the back of the box. But that's not what people came here to see. That's not what you paid money to see. Well, you didn't really pay money at all. I don't know what I'm talking about. I've just taken the Finn Balor thing out out the NXT box. Oh my god, the boxing off it is beautiful. It is amazing. Next thing out of the box. Oh my god, this is absolutely awesome. Shinsuke Nakamura signed lithograph. Lithograph. I can't say it, I'm not going to try it. Here's my... I'm just making sure that you can't see the code. There's the thing that gives you the thing. Alright. Let's see who we got. That is sweet. It's a picture of Asuka with a bit of a ring. I don't mind Asuka. There's worse people that I could have got, but there's better. So, I'm happy with that. That's it. Just a quick little look at the packaging. So that's it, pretty much. I've got all this. So, I'm going to go get it all displayed and possibly